Bad company corrupts good manners. I decree upon your life, any unfriendly friend around you speaking against your marriage, any unfriendly friend as a wife, as a husband, telling you that you are not supposed to stay in that marriage, let there be a disconnection now. Let there be a disconnection now. Let there be a disconnection now. In the name of Jesus.